All right, so in this video, this is our once a day video that we're dropping on our Geo Unlimited, guys, the Car Genie and LTL combination. We're going to talk about how you capture leads when they visit your website instantly without them ever filling out a form. Like, never ever leave a lead on the table when they go and visit your website. This strategy will instantly capture that person when they come onto your website. Again, they don't have to fill out a form, and you're going to get everything you need to contact them, to do email campaigns, direct mail, cold call, everything with this simple strategy. Now, stay tuned to the end, and I'm going to show you how this works and how you can implement this strategy within 20 minutes of getting it. Guys, this one is a game changer, especially if you do a lot of Instagram, if you do a lot of Facebook, if you're on TikTok and you get visitors to your landing pages. Guys, this is a game changer because you're never going to lose a lead again. All right, let's go and log in, guys. I'm going to log into my Card Genie software. This is my direct mail platform. And guys, what we're going to do is we're coming over here to website leads. This is underneath the AI prospecting suite of tools. This is the keyword. And by the way, go and look at the video I dropped, I believe, yesterday, where we talk about how you can generate leads in any zip code or city of people that are looking for you right now in real time. It's pretty amazing. But on today's video, let's talk about how to never lose a lead again to your website. So when we go to website leads, we can add a campaign, and I've done one right here. This is the campaign, and I'm going to go ahead and look at the actual campaign. This is the landing page, and this is all the information that I want on it, so I'm going to save it. Now, in order to do a website lead generator, you're going to have some type of a landing page, some type of website. Most of you have access to building a website. You've got to be able to put a code that our software generates into your website head address, and it's all over. Now you capture the leads. And don't let that knock you off, guys, because our system, our landing pages let you do this. So what happens, guys, is we come over here to embed code. And once we create it, once you hit create, it will grab that code right there, and then you're going to copy it, right? And you can even check to see if that code works. If the code works, and hopefully this will work, it'll come back, and I believe it'll show green, which means that it worked. But guys, we'll come back to this in a minute. You're going to grab that code. Now, on our listings to leads integration, and guys, make sure you look below the video in the description. I've got a webinar that shows you how to do what I'm showing you at a high level, and how to access both our direct mail platform and listings to leads, how you can gain access to both. And guys, this is how the strategy works. So when I log in, I'm going to go to landing pages. Now I can create unlimited landing pages, but I've got one here right now called Ninja Expired, and I'm going to edit the page. So then I'm going to go to advanced options, and watch this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go to pixel and tracking, and I'm going to go ahead, and you notice it's turned on. This is where you would drop that brand new code. Now, I've already done it, but this is where you would drop it, and I have it going on all pages, and I'm going to save it. Okay? When that's done, that website tracking code is now active on that landing page, which means if you were to click that, let's say you saw a post on Facebook about this killer offer, and you click my page, it's done. It will capture you as a lead and give me every piece of contact information I need. And guys, it's only 40 cents a lead. I talked to a gentleman today that was using a different system that did this at $4 a lead, right? So that's how you capture it. Let's go back now and look at this. Do you notice how it says green? It's working. So guys, what's going to happen is part of what our Geo Unlimited offers is this website lead capture. You never have to lose another lead again on your websites. Simply put the code in there, start the campaign, and every day you'll get a new spreadsheet, and you'll get notified when somebody is on your website. And what can you do with the data? Well, you can reach out to them. Check the cell number to see if it's not on the DNC. Give them a call. Email them. Send them a killer email. Send them a postcard. You're going to have their where they live. Just send them a postcard. Send them a letter. right? If you're aggressive, door knock, right? It's up to you. But guys, imagine a system that will generate leads on demand of people just literally visiting. They're visitors to your website. They never left their information. You know, sometimes you'll create a really cool website, but your offer sucks. Maybe it's not user friendly, and so they don't know where to leave their info, or they're not even sure they want to because maybe your message was a little off on that website. No problem. You have their information. They went to the website for a reason. If your website was all about brand new construction homes in 35741 zip code, right? Best deals, but your website was horrible, they went there for a reason. They're looking to see what deals are available on brand new homes. Simply reach out to them. Hey, I noticed you were on the site, wanted to reach out. I'm a local realtor. I do this, I do that. Are you guys thinking of buying a brand new home in the next 12 months? Because I'd love to share with you some of the area's amazing deals. Some of them don't even have closing costs. Are you guys available to talk, right? Talk about conversions. You're now targeting the right lead, people that have a higher conversion based on their intent, their pattern of intent. And I say this all the time. If I am looking to buy a Ford F-150 and I'm searching online, I'm not going to search for the best tuna fish recipes. I'm looking for the best deals on an F-150 XLT crew cab, right? I'm specific. Well, if you could capture that lead who's being specific, think of what your conversions would be. So guys, all of this is inside of our Car Genie and listings to leads integration. You get unlimited landing pages where you can add our code to your landing pages like that. You get unlimited codes. You can create as many as you want depending on your landing pages. You get Facebook and Google ads created for you, done and launched in our system. Free postcards, lead generators like the keyword lead generator, and so much more. So if you're interested in that, just look in the description. Check out my latest webinar on the Geo Unlimited Car Genie system and be prepared. Even if you decide not to get it, guys, I'm going to break down on that webinar some amazing strategies for you guys scaling into 2026. All right, guys, that's it for today's training on the Geo Unlimited, the Car Genie, and this really cool website visitor capture lead strategy. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is this something you would use at 40 cents a lead? Do you think you would? Now, if you have any questions in the description, I'll leave my link to my Calendly. Go ahead and schedule a Zoom with me. I'll answer any question you guys have. I'm not going to hard sell you, but if you're interested and want to learn more, book that call with me. All right, that's it for today's video. I look forward to tomorrow's video where we're going to talk about something completely different. And until then, go out and get you some closings, guys. And until tomorrow's video, always be learning.